Hello world! In this video, I will show you how to create a bootable USB. First step is to open the Rufus download page or click the link below for us to download Rufus. Download the latest version, which as of now is the Rufus 3.17, and wait the download to be finished on the download bar. Open the application through clicking the rufus-x.xx.exe file on the download bar, or click the Rufus icon on the taskbar. For the boot selection, click Select and make sure to choose your desired flash drive. Use the partition screen drop-down menu and choose MBR option. Choose BIOS option. On the Show Volume label field, enter a descriptive name for the drive. Now that you are ready, you just have to click on Start, and it will make your Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Wait until it's done. Once it is done, it will say completed, and now you can install your Windows 10. I hope you enjoyed this video.